For those of you wondering what airports are doing about their CO2 emissions, we'd like to tell you about the climate change initiative, Airport Carbon Accreditation. Here is how it all started. In June 2008, at the 18th ACI Europe Annual Congress, European airports adopted a landmark resolution committing to reduce their carbon emissions with the ultimate goal of becoming carbon neutral. This resolution also committed ACI Europe to developing a carbon management certification program that would help airports make their commitment a reality. So, true to our word, 1 year on, at the 19th ACI Europe Annual Congress, we launched Airport Carbon Accreditation, collectively engaging the European airport community to play its part in addressing the impact of aviation on climate change. Airports are at different points on the journey to becoming cleaner and more efficient, as the center points of a complex web of aircraft movements, technical operations, and surface access transport. Airports can address their CO2 emissions in a variety of ways. These can include better insulation and energy efficiency, switching to green energy sources, investing in hybrid, electric, or gas-powered service vehicles, encouraging employees, passengers, and visitors to use public transport, and working with airlines and air traffic management to reduce runway taxiing times and implement green landing processes, and much more. That's why Airport Carbon Accreditation has 4 available levels of certification: mapping, reduction, optimization, and neutrality. Each application is verified by an independent third party and sent to the program administrator WSP Environment and Energy, who determines whether the standards of the program have been satisfied. It is still the only independent, institutionally endorsed program specifically tailored to the airport business. Over the past 4 years, Airport Carbon Accreditation has gone from strength to strength, with more airports becoming certified each year and meaningful carbon reduction results too. The latest results for year 4 are equally impressive. In Europe, 75 airports in 22 countries have become Airport Carbon Accredited at one of the 4 levels of the program. These airports represent 58.6% of European passenger traffic, and the collective reduction achieved during year 4 was in excess of 170,000 tons of CO2, enough to power over 71,000 households for a year. But this revolution isn't limited to Europe. In November 2011, together with our sister organization, ACI Asia Pacific, we extended the program to the Asia Pacific region with the support of ACI World. This also coincided with ICAO giving its support to Airport Carbon Accreditation, helping to establish the program's global credentials as the carbon certification standard for airports. Since then, 10 airports in the Asia Pacific region have already become certified, and we have every indication that more will follow in the near future. And at our annual Congress in June 2013, we opened another exciting chapter in Airport Carbon Accreditation's intercontinental success, launching the program in Africa in partnership with ACI Africa. This is another significant step in Airport Carbon Accreditation's journey to becoming the global certification standard for airports. And Enfida Hammamet Airport in Tunisia is the very first airport to be certified in Africa. These carbon-accredited airports in Europe, Asia, and Africa combined represent around 22% of global air passenger traffic, a stunning result for a program that is only 4 years old. Stay up to speed with our progress by visiting airportcarbonaccreditation.org. or follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Airport CO2. Thank you.